We're in the sweet spot, not a buyer's market, not a seller's market. The rare moment where both sides have leverage. Did you know that 4 out of the 5 homes that I toured last week had price reductions? Yes, that's correct. Price cuts in San Diego. Hi, I'm Mary Tall, broker associate, and this is your August market update here in San Diego County. Whether you're buying or selling or just real estate curious, I'm breaking down what's really happening and what it means for you. And if you're thinking about making a move, I'd love to be your go-to real estate bestie. Let's dive into the numbers. The average sales price here in San Diego is up a bit from last month. We're just over $1.1 million. And homes are sitting on the market for about 36 days before they get an accepted offer. We currently have about 3.6 months of inventory, putting us in a kind of balanced, but still leaning into the seller's market. For sellers, strategy is everything right now. Gone are the days where you could just list with any real estate agent, put a sign in the yard, and get 20 offers in 24 hours. Not anymore. Well-prepped homes, move-in ready homes, they're still getting offers, in some cases multiple offers. I just sold a property, and after a little pre-listing prep and planning, we had multiple offers in just 3 days and sold for over asking. And no, they didn't do a huge remodel, blow out walls or kitchen remodel or anything. Their home had been updated when they purchased it about 7 years ago. So what we focused on this time around was the little details, the kind of things that make a home feel fresh and loved, but don't require any construction. These homeowners, they touched up the paint where life happened. Think about the hallways, the corners, the doors. They gave the baseboards a fresh coat of paint and made them shine. They deep cleaned everything from the window sills to the grout lines. We decluttered and I staged the home and made it feel perfect for a new buyer to imagine themselves living there. It wasn't a massive investment. It was time, intention, and a solid plan. And that made all the difference. Because here's the thing, buyers don't just walk in and say, wow, nice baseboards. But when the space feels clean, updated, well-loved, they feel the emotional connection to that home. And that's what helped us sell this home. If you're even thinking about selling your home in the next, say, 6 to 8 months, now is the time to start prepping. Now, buyers, let's talk. This market, it's shifting in your favor more than it has in a long time. There's more inventory out there right now, which means, yes, more options for you. You're not stuck rushing to write an offer the second a listing comes on the market anymore. Whew, thank goodness there. In fact, when I was out touring homes for a client recently, 4 homes out of the 5 homes had price reductions. So what does this mean for you? It means you can take a deep breath. You can tour a few homes, think through your options, and actually negotiate again. This is the moment where you can get creative with your offer. Maybe ask for closing costs, maybe negotiate on the price, or even keep your inspection contingency, yes, without getting laughed out of the deal. If you've been waiting for the chaos to calm down, it's happening right now. But a heads up. If rates drop like they're expected to, that calm may not last long. So let's talk about the wild card of interest rates. Yes, buyers, I know you're watching them like a hawk. I am too. You're running the mortgage calculator, refreshing the news, and maybe even texting your lender at midnight. No judgment. And yes, when rates drop, it really does help your monthly payment. We're talking real money saved over time. So if you've been sitting on the fence, now might be the moment to start leaning in. And sellers, if you've been waiting to list because you want that perfect price, guess what? Yep, lower rates mean more buyers, and more buyers mean more demand. More demand means ding, 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 yes, a better chance of getting the price you want. So whether you're buying, selling, or just casually stalking Zillow, it's a good time to start thinking ahead. Curious what your options look like? Let's talk. No pressure strategy planning. Curious what your options are? Reach out if you'd like to chat about your specific situation. I'll break it down in plain terms with no pressure, just guidance. The link's in caption to book with me. Chat soon. Thanks again. This is Mary Tall. This is your August real estate update here in San Diego. Have a blessed day.